to run any CS2 workshop in GeForce Now. In this video, I'll show you how to run any CS2 workshop maps in GeForce Now.
So to get started, first make sure your GeForce Now account is active and that CS2 is installed in your library. Launch the game through the GeForce Now app. Once in CS2, open the Workshop browser and subscribe to the map you want to play. If the map doesn't automatically show up, you might need to restart the game. Once the game is relaunched, go to the Play section and select Workshop Maps. The newly the newly subscribed map should be available to load and play. GeForce Now handles the streaming, so you'll have access to high-end performance regardless of your PC's hardware limitations. If you're encountering issues with loading workshop maps, check your GeForce Now settings and ensure you've connected to a server that has low latency for the best experience. And that's how you can run any CS2 workshop maps in GeForce Now.